Established in 2017, Florida World School has emerged as Seeker's most premium educational institution, committed to delivering excellence and innovation. From its inception, the school has been dedicated to nurturing young minds and empowering them with the skills, values, and confidence needed to thrive in rapidly evolving world. Our school's journey progressed significantly, culminating in permanent ICSE affiliation in 2024 after achieving provisional recognition in 2019.
Florida World School celebrated a proud moment in 2022 when our first batch of grade 10 students achieved excellent results, marking a significant achievement for the school. Since 2023, Florida World School has been an active participant in the ICSE Council, having attended the 66th Assembly in Hyderabad. Florida World School received the esteemed Bharat Shiksha Puraskar, solidifying its position as a leading educational institution in Rajasthan in the year 2023. In the previous academic year, Florida World School achieved a remarkable feat with its students securing an impressive 458 medals across various national Olympiads.
In 2024, Florida World School joined the United Nations Global School Program, embracing a global perspective. Simultaneously, the school enthusiastically embraced the Fit India initiative, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, promoting a healthy and active lifestyle among its students. Now, we are thrilled to announce the next chapter in our evolution. Seeker's first ever Cambridge Primary and Early Years School. At Florida World School, we strive to craft socially conscious and responsible individuals who are passionate about serving society. Our mission is to create a loving, nurturing, and safe environment filled with warmth and promise, where every individual's unique talents are encouraged to flourish.
We have revolutionized learning by embedding a holistic approach that nurtures every facet of a child's development. Through experiential learning, state-of-the-art technology, and innovative teaching methodologies, we empower students to become critical thinkers and problem solvers. By integrating life skills, emotional intelligence, and global perspectives into our curriculum, we prepare our students to thrive in an ever-evolving world.
Our Cambridge Early Years program caters to children aged 3 to 6, focusing on building a strong foundation during their formative years. The program is designed to foster curiosity, creativity, and love for learning through play-based and inquiry-driven methodologies.
For students in grades 1 to 5, Florida World School offers the Cambridge Primary Program, a dynamic and multidisciplinary curriculum tailored to inspire intellectual curiosity and critical thinking. Our students build a strong foundation with English, mathematics, and science, while exploring wellness for well-being and global perspectives for cultural awareness. Physical education fosters fitness, art and literature, inspiring creativity, and foreign languages for enhancing global communication skills. Florida World School stands as a beacon of modern educational excellence, with facilities that redefine the learning experience. Our fully centralized air cooling system ensures a comfortable environment for students to focus and thrive throughout the year. The theatre room provides a professional platform for performances, nurturing the artistic talents of our students. We have dedicated infrastructure for indoor games, encouraging physical activity and teamwork. The music room and art and craft room are designed to spark creativity and passion in the arts.
Our well-equipped laboratories offer hands-on learning experiences in science, technology, and innovation, while the cutting-edge AI and robotics labs prepare students for the future of technology. At Florida World School, we believe in holistic development through a diverse range of extracurricular activities. Students can explore their interests through programs in art, music, drama, robotics, and debate, alongside more than 15 sports.
The Florida Student Portfolio is a comprehensive initiative designed to showcase the holistic development of our students. Divided into 5 dynamic segments, it reflects our commitment to nurturing well-rounded individuals.
As we close this chapter, we reflect on the remarkable journey that Florida World School has undertaken, a journey of transformation, innovation and growth.
बच्चा जब स्कूल से घर वापस लौटता है, चहचहाता है, मुस्कुराता है, खिलखिलाता है तो जीवन आनंदमय हो जाता है। फ्लोरिटो वर्ल्ड स्कूल ना सिर्फ ग्लोबल अप्रोच को फील करवा रहा है बल्कि सौरभ्य जैसे प्रोग्राम्स के साथ आपको ये भी बता रहा है कि जीवन में सत्कार, संस्कार, आदर, मान सम्मान कितना जरूरी है।
चाइल्ड बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट को दृष्टिगत रखते हुए आधुनिक युग में जो शिक्षा के नवाचार हैं उनको दृष्टिगत रखते हुए फ्लोरिटो वर्ल्ड एक उत्कृष्ट शैक्षणिक संस्थान है।
With my experience, I can say that besides at par academics, they are focusing on the communication skills, sports. The child will learn to work in the team manners. They are focusing on the emotional development of the child.
I've seen my son's development and growth into many ways apart from classroom learning. This excites me most about Florida World School.
Thank you for being part of our story. We look forward to the future, a future built on vision, values and happiness.